Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Today we're answering a critical question: how long can an inmate be held on a detainer? A detainer is essentially a hold request placed on an inmate by another jurisdiction, like another state or the federal government, which says, don't release this person when their sentence is up, because we have charges pending against them. The rules for this are not indefinite, they are governed by a specific law called the Interstate Agreement on Detainers, or the IAD. This is a compact that most states and the federal government have agreed to follow. The IAD sets strict time limits to ensure an inmate's right to a speedy trial isn't violated. There are two main timelines you need to know. First is the 180-day rule. This clock starts when the inmate, upon learning of the detainer and the untried charges, formally requests a final disposition, which is a legal way of saying they are demanding a speedy trial. Once that request is properly filed and sent by the prison warden to the requesting prosecutor in court, that jurisdiction has 180 days to bring the inmate to trial. If they fail to do so within that 180-day window, the charges must be dismissed with prejudice, meaning they can never be filed again. The second timeline is the 120-day rule. This applies when the prosecutor from the other jurisdiction initiates the process by requesting temporary custody of the inmate to face trial. Once the inmate arrives in that new jurisdiction, the trial must begin within 120 days. Again, if this deadline is missed without a valid continuance, the charges get dismissed with prejudice. It's crucial to understand that these IAD rules generally apply to detainers from other states or the federal government. If the detainer is from another county within the same state, it's called an intrastate detainer, and it's governed by that state's own speedy trial laws, which can be very different. The key takeaway is that an inmate cannot be left to sit indefinitely on a detainer. There are powerful legal protections in place, but often the inmate must take the first step by formally requesting their speedy trial to get that 180-day clock ticking. Failing to follow these timelines has severe consequences for the prosecution. Thank you for watching this breakdown of detainers and their time limits. If you found this information clear and helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more legal explanations.